Hello there and welcome to my video. Today I will be presenting my newly installed KNX installation where I'm using the one home bridge. As you can see here, so I have my basic KNX power supply, I have some actuators, and then I have the one home bridge. One home bridge is, if you go to the menus, you can see, so it's a basic KNX IP interface. So you see the KNX address, the IP address, but on top of that it automatically connects to the cloud and allows you to connect your KNX installation to the cloud. In my case, I'm using Google Home for this. And later on, I will show you the actual usage of the Google Home combined with the One Home Bridge. But the nice thing here is that it's an IP interface to start with, so you don't need anything separately. So once you have this, you install it, you can go straight to the KNX ETS software and start configuring your KNX installation. And once you're finished, you just go ahead, upload your ETS project file to the cloud, and it will parse it, and then you're able to control your lights through Google Home, which I will show you now in the second part. Okay, so now I'm upstairs. As the main controller for my KNX installation, I have this central operating unit from MDT. So yeah, one of the things, of course, I can do here is control my lights. So I've pressed this off and on, lights go off and on, easy, right? Main reason to go for KNX for me was the standaloneness of the system, just to make sure that everything always working. There's no central unit like with Luxzone, so that's why I wanted KNX. But on the other hand, I'm quite heavily invested in the Google Home ecosystem. I have a lot of these Nest Hubs and other Nest Mini speakers. So for me, it was very important that I could also control my KNX installation through Google Home. That's why I got the One Home Bridge. So if you go here now to lights, you will see I have a bunch of lights here. Most of them are actually Philips Hue. So I started off with Philips Hue. And now gradually I'm converting things as I go along the way into KNX, so that in this way Google Home gives me a nice way to slowly migrate, let's say, from Hue to KNX without losing overview and control on things. So if you now go to the lights, I'm currently in the loft. So if I switch the same kitchen light as I did before, you will see light goes off, light goes on. There's almost no delay to it, so it feels very intuitive, almost the same as as using the central controller here. So yeah, this is really nice. It works very well. It's still nicely integrated with the rest of Google Home. You can also do the voice commands because it's Google Home. So I can say, hey Google, turn off kitchen light in loft. Let's try that again. Hey Google, turn off kitchen light in loft. Yeah, that's better. So you see, turns off immediately, can turn it back on. So yeah, that was a short demo on the One Home Bridge, which allows your KNX installation to be controlled through Google Home. Thanks a lot for watching, and feel free to leave any comments in the section below the video. Thanks, bye.